2020 Keystone Cougar 364 BHL for sale in Tips City, Ohio 45371. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2020 Keystone Cougar 364 BHL in social distance in style. This luxury fifth wheel is 39.25 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 10 comfortably. It has been outfitted with 3 slide-outs, 2 awnings, as well as a leveling system. This impressive fifth wheel was purchased 6 months ago and is still in the same spot where they delivered it. This 2020 Keystone Cougar 364 BHL fifth wheel RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area with 3-burner stove, oven and convection microwave, double-door refrigerator/freezer, kitchen island with double kitchen sink, dinette with bench seating, outside kitchen fireplace, television with the plastic still intact, surround sound with speakers inside and out, DVD/CD/stereo, sofa, 2 bathrooms throughout, large glass enclosed shower, 2 outside shower, master queen-size bedroom, full-size master closet/dresser, bunkhouse with 2 full-size beds, furnace, air conditioners, 10-year transferable extended warranty, which can be canceled and discounted $1,100, and so much more. This 2020 Keystone Cougar 364 BHL is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2020 Keystone Cougar 364 BHL fifth wheel can be yours.